If you're dreaming of an ultimate luxury getaway, here's why upgrading to Butler Suite at Sandals Resort is a total game changer. I'm Carly the Sand Lady, your CRC Platinum Elite top sandals travel agent. First, VIP treatment the moment you arrive. Your personal butler handles check-in, walks you through your suite, and takes care of every detail so you can start relaxing instantly. Best rooms, you get prime locations, the most luxurious suites on the property. That's right. The Rondavals, swim up suites, these rooms are the ones that people remember forever. Dinner reservations, done. Save chairs by the beach or the pool, done. Lunch delivered right to your lounger. The butlers go above and beyond, making sure everything is perfect for your vacation. And finally, personalized touches like unpacking your luggage and drawing your bubble bath, stocking your bar exactly how you like it. This is the next level vacation. If you want a seamless, romantic, stress-free sandals experience, Butler service is absolutely worth it. Contact the Sand Lady for your free custom quote.